Hey everyone, welcome back to the podcast. I'm Sarah, and joining me, as always, is my amazing co host, John. How's it going, John?
Hey Sarah, I'm doing great, thanks. Super pumped about today's topic. It's all about something that can seriously boost the vibe of your home.
Absolutely. We're diving into the world of professional house washing, specifically how important it is for homeowners in Glenmore, PA. I mean, who doesn't want their house looking fresh and inviting?
Right? It's more than just cleaning, it's like giving your home a facelift. And let's be real, who wants to spend their Saturday scrubbing the side of their house?
Not me. So why should people choose professionals instead of going the DIY route? I've tried to wash my own house. Spoiler alert, it didn't end well.
Oh no, but it makes sense. Professionals have the right tools and eco-friendly solutions that keep both your home and the environment safe. Plus, they know all the techniques.
Exactly. And let's talk benefits. Regular house washing can improve health by reducing allergens, increase property value, and even extend the life of your surfaces. Like, who doesn't want that?
For sure. And let's not forget curb appeal. A clean home is like a magnet for compliments. It can totally transform how your property looks. Who wouldn't want that sparkle?
And hey, with spring around the corner, it's the perfect time to think about washing away that winter grime. What other services do professionals offer?
Oh, they do everything from roof cleaning to patio washing. It's all about making your home shine and protecting your investment.
So if you're in Glenmore and considering a house wash, definitely check out House Wash PA. They've got the expertise and eco-friendly methods to make your home look brand new.
Absolutely. And for anyone listening, don't forget to request a free estimate. It's the first step to a cleaner, happier home.
Totally. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Be sure to follow us for more home tips. We'll catch you next time.